On this local flight from the farmer's field, I head over to Little Gransden Airfield and watch a hot air balloon take off. We have light winds, so a little bit of cheeky low flying on the way, always good fun. And I arrive just in time to watch the inflation. Everyone then gets in and the balloon gets airborne. Great to see from the air. And on the way back I get treated to a lovely sunset. Lovely little flight, it's about 2 hours long. Landing was okay too. And for some epic longer videos, head over to my YouTube channel.